If you want to update all the files uploaded in a given week, it would take many hours, especially if you upload a lot of files every day since WordPress doesn't provide any tool to do advanced searches. To help you with this, we'll show you how to search all your files by week, month or year in just a few minutes using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin shows you all your media files in a spreadsheet, where you can make changes to thousands of files in seconds. It contains massive editing and advanced search tools to simplify your life completely. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. To filter your images by a specific date, you'll need to open the search tool. Then enable the advanced filters. Select the format field key. Use the operator contains. And enter image here. Now enter the same date in these two fields. Lastly, run the search. If you want to filter the images by weeks, months, or even years, we can do it using date ranges with our useful search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Enter the format field here. The operator will be contains. Now enter image as the value. Then select the initial date here. And the final date here. Finally, run the search, and all the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. You no longer have to spend lots of hours trying to find your files by date thanks to the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.